Now we are going to create our final UV maps for our final low poly. And here, as you can see, we picked up our aliens subdivision level 1. The only new thing for us is cloth. We need to unwrap it and everything is ready. Let's select this and start to pack it. First of all, we need to cut it. Let's start cutting these parts. Let's cut it from here, this one from here. You can also see that we need to cut these parts. It's also the same thing. On this side. Okay, now let's cut this part from the body. Also, let's select these, and after we will see how it works. And let's cut these two from here. Let's see how it works. Good. And the only thing is left to cut from the shoulder, maybe from this side, and also do the same thing on the other side. And let's cut this one from here. Okay, let's add on these edges constraints and let's see it works. And maybe we can do the same thing on these edges too. And maybe for this one also. Okay. Let's do the same thing for this one. Here. It's here. Also this part. Looks strange, but I think when we will relax it, it will work. No, maybe we need to remove this part, and now maybe it will work. Let's see. It's not bad. And also these parts. Okay, let's see what happens. Of course, it's breaking. No worries, Hector. Okay, it doesn't work. Maybe we just need to make just one side. Oh no, it works. So this one works. Okay. Cool. Let's unhide all. and just pack it everything together. As you can see, we got a lot of space. We just turning this on. No, it doesn't help us. You know what we can do? We can just check now the textile density, and maybe it's not much, but maybe we can make the head and also the eyes bigger. Let's see. And we will check it. Okay, I think we can make, yeah, it's a lot bigger. And also the head. Let's see what happens. It's really a problem to find the right size for everything, but I think that it will work. Let's check the textile density. It will be 60, not 6, because our model is 10 times bigger. The textile density will be 6000 pixels per meter on 4K texture. And let's check the clothes. I think it will work very well. Also the eyes. The eyes got a lot of bigger. Let's make these parts also bigger. And maybe what else we can do? Maybe we can make this a little bit smaller, this a little bit bigger. I forgot to remove the constraints for these parts for the packing. Cool, let's change the quality for packing to high and also change the mutations count to something like 4, maybe. Okay, let's pack. This will work perfectly. The only thing need to be changed is the naming of the files for the baking. Cool, let's move to the next step.